Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change themes in the latest build of Microsoft Office. If you want dark mode, black theme, colorful theme, or just want Microsoft Office to match your Windows theme, this tutorial will help you step by step. So let's get started. First, open any Microsoft Office app. You can open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. I'm opening Microsoft Word. Now click on File, then Options. If you don't see options directly on the left side, click More. Then select Options from the menu. Inside the General tab, look for Office Theme under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. From here, you can choose colorful, white, dark gray, black, or use system setting. Click the drop-down menu. That's it. Now you know how to change themes in Microsoft Office latest build. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.